Hello students, Standard 4 of Maths, Chapter 5, Unit name is Time. In this chapter, we are going to see anti-meridian and post-meridian relates 24-hour clock with 12 hours clock. Come, let's move on to the video session.
Unit 5 Time. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. What is the AM in time? Time duration between midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock. What is PM in time? The time duration between noon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock. Express the time in terms of AM and PM. In the above pictures, both the time points 8 o'clock. The first picture points 8 AM in morning. The second picture points 8 PM night. Time using AM and PM. 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 AM. 4 o'clock in the evening, 4 PM. 10 o'clock in the night, 10 PM. 5 hours after noon, that is 5 PM. Noon is 12 o'clock, so after noon 5 hours. So the time is 5 PM. 3 hours before noon. So the noon time is 12 o'clock. Before means we have to subtract 3 hours. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So the time is 9 AM. What is 24-hour clock? 24-hour clock is the most commonly used time notation in the world. Did you see the display of time in railways? The hour starts at 0 and go through 23. The time shows midnight to noon is 00 to 11:59. The time shows noon to midnight, that is 12 o'clock to 11:59. 24-hour clock does not have AM or PM. How to calculate 24 hours clock time? Look at the time on this digital clock. The clock says 20 hours and 27 minutes. That is 20 hours and 27 minutes. Subtract 12 from 20 hours. There is no change in minutes. So if we subtract 20 hours from 12, we can get 8. The time in 12-hour clock is 8 hours 27 PM. It is evening. To convert 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. To change time to 12-hour clock, just subtract 12 from the hour. Example 1, 18 hours. We have to subtract 12 hours from 18 hours. We can get 6. The time in 12-hour clock is 6 PM. Example 2, 21 hours. We have to subtract 12 hours from 21 hours. We can get 9 hours. The time in 12-hour clock is 9 PM. To convert 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock, to change time to 24-hour clock, just add 12 to the hour. Example 4 PM. For 4 PM, we have to convert in for 24 hours. We have to add 12 hours to the 4 hours. We can get 16 hours. The time in 24-hour clock is 16. Example 2, 11 pm. To convert into 24-hour clock, we have to add 12 hours to the 11 o'clock. So, we can get 23. The time in 12-hour clock is 23. Convert the following time to 24-hour time. 12 hours, 24 hours. We have to add 12 hours to convert into 24 hour. For 4:25 am, the same 4:25 will come. Third sum, 9:20 am, the same 9:20 am will come. For 6:30 pm, we have to add 12 hours. If we add 12 to 6, we can get 18 hours. The minutes doesn't change. The same 30 minutes will come. Up to 12 noon, the same timing only. After 12 noon only, the hours added to 12. Convert the following time into 12-hour time. If we want to convert 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock, we have to subtract 12 hours from 24 hours. 11 am. The same 11 am will come for 12-hour clock. For 8 o'clock, the same 8 am will come. For 12 hours 28 minutes, the same 12 hours 28 minutes will come. For 16 hours 20 minutes, we have to subtract 12. If we subtract 16 from 12, we can get 4 hours 20 pm. The minutes doesn't change. Up to 12 noon, the same timing will come. After 12 noon only, the hours should be subtracted. Children, you try some hours and convert it from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. Thank you.